As Big Ben's chimes ring out around us, signaling a year that's new, raise a glass, turn up the volume and welcome 2022. And as we share this midnight moment and imagine all that's still to come, let's relish the magnificent things we achieved in 2021. We rallied round our NHS heroes as they rolled out the vaccination, and we stood beside our three lions, heads raised and proud, united together as a nation. We won 124 Paralympic medals, one of the greatest hauls we've ever seen, and our star, Emma Raducanu, won the US Open. She's only 18. We saw the return of live events and reclaimed companionship and camaraderie. Tom Daley brought home gold and still found time to knit a Cardi. COP26 convened in Glasgow, aspiring to build a world that heals. And Marcus Rashford and his fans gave out 21 million free school meals. This progress punctuates the air tonight, but when all is said and done, this world must keep on turning. So we say goodbye to 21, and within this magic midnight moment, there's only one thing left to do. So come on, let's light the night sky up and journey together into 2022.
Reached our destination.
2022! Welcome!